All right, well, today's Zip Trip takes us to the Eastern Shore, and here to tell us more about it is the Director of Tourism, Donna Boza. Thanks very much for being here with us today. We are going to give people lots of tips about how to have a good zip trip up to the Eastern Shore. What do you think folks would be most surprised to learn about the area?
Well, that there's so much to do. We're this picturesque rural peninsula. We have Chesapeake Bay on one side and the Atlantic Ocean, and our main drag is Route 13. But the secret to finding out our secrets is getting off 13.
Right.
And we have a series of small, adorable towns, each with a personality of their own. And there's shops, and as you see, we have nice restaurants like our Eastville Inn. And we also have an amazing artisan community, so if you like art, you can go into the towns and look at the art galleries, or you can even find our little back road, country road studios where our artisans will welcome you and show you their crafts. Also, we have 3 wineries on the shore, award-winning wineries, and they're so much fun to go visit. You can learn about, their boutique wineries, so right from the folks that grow it, from vine to wine, they can tell you all about it, and you can taste, do them tastings. We also have the country's only authentic kayak winery tour, where you can kayak to the historic plantation of Chatham Vineyard and taste the wine, yes, and then paddle on out. And you, part of your trip is you take one of the bottles of their fine wine, and you go on what we call Rabbit Islands. You pull up your kayak, and you pop the cork, and you toast your good fortune to finding the Eastern Shore.
That's great. What about for families? Because the winery sounds wonderful.
Right.
But I'm thinking, what would be a good family destination?
Well, what we say on the Eastern Shore is you can unplug for family fun. So you get away from the distractions, and you really get to connect with each other. We have wonderful bay beaches that are very shallow, and the water is very clean and safe. So that's always great, especially for the little ones. And then Chincoteague Island is an especially great place to bring the family. It is very nostalgic, sort of throwback to the old seaside resorts that many of us remember as children. It's not crowded. There's the ice cream parlors, and of course there's the Chincoteague ponies on Assateague Island. Yeah. And the lighthouse that you can climb, and 10 miles of gorgeous beach. Again, no crowds, and no boardwalks for the kids to keep saying, "I want to buy this, I want to buy that."
Yes.
They can just swim and have fun.
That is nice. I'm glad that you brought up the pony swim, because that's coming up soon, isn't July the month?
Yes. It's always the last Wednesday in July. And we call it the Splash Around the World because it is internationally famous. It's when the Chincoteague, the ponies are on Assateague Island. That's where they live wild and free. And the saltwater cowboys bring them across the channel over to Chincoteague. And there's a nice parade, with the ponies coming through. So you can watch the dramatic swim and them coming in. And then there's the pony penny where you can auction. Haven't we always all wanted a pony? Well, some people actually get to bring one home. So and it's exciting to watch that too. And then there's a Fireman's Carnival, which is a small town Americana, just something that's so special. And you can go there and of course enjoy the rides, and it's very, like I said, very small town and safe, and it's just a lot of fun.
For a lot of folks, the Eastern Shore is a shortcut to points north, but I'm glad that you're here today to recommend those lefts and those rights off 13 that could result in a great adventure. So where can people learn more? Because we're talking about a great expanse here, from places like Cape Charles up to Chincoteague and Assateague Island. So if folks want to kind of get a little bit organized, especially if they're bringing a family, where's kind of a one-stop shop where they can learn more about the Eastern Shore?
It's perfect for you all to come over on the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. And as soon as you get off, to your right is our new Eastern Shore Welcome Center, which is a cute little place. You go in, it looks like the inside of a gazebo, and we have professional travel consultants who are very friendly and will spend a lot of time with you and let you know everything there is to do, ask your interests, and just tailor a trip to you. And that is, again, the secret to the shore, is getting off the main route and exploring the bayside and the seaside.
All right. Well, thank you very much for telling us about that. And don't be surprised when you talk to the folks at the Visitor Center if you decide you might need to plan a trip or 2 or 3 to the Eastern Shore to see all that there is to see. The website and phone number is on your screen.